and welcome to my second Create With Me video. This time I'm going to break it down into two sections. The first one being how I create my designs on paper and then duplicate it into a free drafting program. And the second one being me actually taking the design and bringing it to life. Let's get started. Today we're going to be using an oval rose quartz cab that measures 26 millimeters by 19 millimeters. As of lately, the way I like to start my design is by creating a bunch of random lines. From there, I like to darken the lines that stand out the most. Once I see a shape starting to take form, I start creating a rough and crude design concept. Oftentimes, I redraw the design to play around with it and to make it a little more symmetrical. Right here, I was thinking about cutting another heart into the back plate, but then I decided against it. And here you see me making the final design, in which I'm going to recreate into the drafting program. I'm using the free drafting program called Design Spark Mechanical. I'll put the link down below in the description. So I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty of transferring my design to this program, but if you are interested in a more detailed video on how to do so, please let me know and I'll create a video just for that. Side story. I actually studied drafting and design at ITT Tech before it had shut down. And there I learned to use AutoCAD and a bunch of similar programs. But since they closed, I no longer have access to AutoCAD, and I'm definitely not paying $195 a month for it. So, free program for me it is. So far, this program is good for simple designs. That's also probably because of the learning curve that I'm facing right now. There are so many things I know how to do on AutoCAD that I just can't figure out how to do on this program just yet. For example, the heart-shaped lines that you see on there end up in a square formation. They're supposed to represent a round wire, but since I don't know how to create a tube that follows the heart shape along that line, I'll just have to leave it as it is for now. Another funny story, I was actually about to start my last semester at ITT before they shut down. Not too long after that, I went to an art show that fueled my start for creating jewelry. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and please let me know what you would like to see. Have a great one!